Thanksgiving leftovers on a pizza. Let's get involved, people. Not sure what to do with those pesky leftovers in the refrigerator from Thanksgiving? Well, I've got your solution. Let's get involved with a Thanksgiving pizza. Yes, that's right. Let's get involved with a Thanksgiving pizza. Welcome to Barbecue Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight we're going to be cooking up this amazing, bodacious, ridiculous Thanksgiving pizza. Tonight we have Brett Norton coming in. He hasn't been in here for a little bit, so I'm glad he's making it back over here. Also, we have two new newcomers. Yes, something like that. We have Katie Gay playing some bass for us tonight. Can't wait to see what she could do on that thing. Jory Lyle is going to be presenting some amazing riffs on the guitar tonight as well. So anyway, let's get involved, people. Thanksgiving pizza on the green egg. We're about 550, 600 degrees. Let's get involved. So I picked this dough up from my local grocery store. I got this already pre-made, ready to go. If you want to do that, you can. You can go ahead or you can make your own dough. But tonight, we're just taking some leftovers and putting them together. So here we go. We're gonna start off with some gravy. You gotta have some gravy for Thanksgiving, right? So next, let's do some mashed potatoes. Those are always good. A little mashed potatoes, guys. And by the way, since we're mashing some mashed potatoes onto our pizza, go ahead and mash that like button and the subscribe. It helps out our channel. We love it. We love bringing you guys new content every week. Hope you guys are having a great holiday and everything's going well for you guys. But anyway, here we go. We've got our mashed potatoes on. Now let's go on with some stuffing. Yeah? All right, here we go. Now, let's do some turkey. I chopped up some turkey here. All right. What do you think? A little bit more? That looks pretty good. I don't want to go too crazy. Now, a little bit of cranberry. Nothing too crazy, just enough to give you a little splash of color, a little splash of flavor. All right, that looks perfect for the cranberries. Mozzarella. Look at that. Woo! Beautiful. All right, now, let's pop this guy on the green egg. There we go. Bloop. Thanksgiving pizza. Oh, baby. Woo. Yeah, check her out. Boom, just like that. Getting ready to eat here just a second, guys. Time to cut the pie. Here we go. Nice crunch from that crust. All right. Hope you guys are hungry back there. Woo. Yeah. Look at that, baby. Woo. See, how's the flop? Good flop. Looking good. All right. I'm gonna bring on some guests over here to try out this thing. I hope you guys are excited about this. So tonight we've got Katie, we've got Jory over here, we've got Brett Norton over here. Do you guys want to come on in and grab a slice? Yeah. We got Mazzy over here waiting for a piece to drop.
Mazzy,
what's up? How's it going? How's it going, guys?
Good to see y'all.
You want to come on in? Yeah, we're all coming in, bro. We're all coming in. It's Thanksgiving. We're family up here. We're getting involved, right? Thank you guys so much for being here tonight and wanting to be a part of the show and jam and try my food that's experimental and gonna be, you'll live, I promise. It's gonna be good. So anyway, without further ado, you guys ready to get involved with some Thanksgiving pizza?
Heck yeah.
All right, cool. Let's grab a slice, see what's going on. Same. Let's just go in for one.
Right?
There you are.
Thank you.
Usually I have napkins. I'm being rude right now. There you go.
Maisie will clean it up.
Yeah, she will. She is all about it. I hope you guys are excited about this. This is really interesting right here, guys.
Cheers or anything?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we always
Yeah,
cheers.
Cheers.
She's already like, oh, I can't wait.
Oh, here we go.
I'm not hungry.
All right, it's gonna probably be a little hot, but here we go.
Tempered purple?
Oh yeah.
Wonderfully like crispy.
Nice.
That is
right?
perfect.
Oh, thank you very much. Yeah.
Thanksgiving in my mouth.
It's a new experience. So I could do the James Salzer.
It's wonderful. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah.
No, I love the
great.
mashed potato base.
Yeah, not bad, right?
Yeah.
Huh.
So good. Oh my God.
A little bit of that gravy and that cranberry really cuts through.
That's killer.
It's really like, this is great, guys.
Very good.
Awesome. All right, well, cool. I think this is the winner, guys. You need to try it. Definitely give this a shot, guys.
I'm super shocked at how much I like this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I know you.
Well, like, I hate Thanksgiving food. This is great.
Right. That's what she said earlier. I was
We
like,
talked
oh, God.
about
I hope she likes this pizza tonight. But she's like, I don't really care for Thanksgiving food. I'm like, well, we're going to see what happens. So,
Yeah.
hey, you like it?
It's amazing.
It's good.
Yeah.
Cool. It's amazing, people. All right, cool.
It's making her like Thanksgiving once again.
Ah, there you go. I was kind of hoping I had some like sweet, what's that, sweet potato casserole. Could go well on this too. You gotta try that. Maybe some green bean casserole on there too. That could be nice. No, maybe, I don't know. Just throw it on there, people, and have a good time. Whatever. We're having a good time over here. Yep. Guys, these jams are turning out great. Food's awesome. We're having a blast over here, guys. Please like and subscribe as always. And we're gonna catch you guys back here in just a minute. Woo! All right, cool.
This is super good, though.
thanks so much for tuning in tonight at Barbecue Jams. We had a great time. This Thanksgiving pizza rocked. You guys have absolutely got to try it out. The jams turned out incredible. These guys are killer. By the way, I want to go ahead and get these guys hooked up with some merch. As the newcomers over here, we got you. Sorry, yeah.
No, ladies first.
Got you guys had some hats and some shirts, courtesy of the merch company.
Love it.
Thank you, Derek Inner, by the way. There it is. Bing, bang, boom. Looking good. You're not getting anything.
Oh, man.
He's already
You
wearing
get
one,
nothing.
yeah.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
Scram.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
Hey,
Appreciate it.
it's
Yeah,
official.
awesome.
You
Yeah,
guys
so much
have
fun.
been Barbecue
Thank
Jam.
you.
Yeah, my pleasure. Guys, we're having a great time over here. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much, Derek Enner with Merch Company. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. What, huh? Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, yeah, and happy Thanksgiving. Thank you, Jeff. Appreciate that. All right, guys, you guys take it easy. We're going to catch you guys next time. Boom! There it is. That's right.